Want to know how to start your first story in Toca World or Toca Boca? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Toca Boca game. So we have also created similar videos regarding how to install Toca Boca and use it, so make sure you watch it. Now, starting your first story is super simple. You should be under the main interface right here. You can just simply select play for the first time right here, and a loading screen should pop up and it should load you your first tutorial on how you can just simply play it. Now I can just simply select let's go right here, and now we start by just simply setting up everything that you want. Now I can just simply select done, and now as you can see right here, it should load and it should give you a proper home and the place you stay and choose. Now once that is done, you can also add your own characters and play the game accordingly, and it will look something like this. So right here, as you can see, you start by building up your house just like this right here, and once that is done, you just simply add your characters and then you just simply write your own storyline and play with them, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.